Dear all, Joe Beach Resorts welcome you all with great joy and happiness. Thank you for being here for our presentation. It's of great delight and pride to introduce about our Joe Beach Resorts. While introducing Joe Beach, we are privileged to thank Reverend Father J.E. Arulraj, the founder of DMI and MMI, for opening this unique proportion on the coast of ECR Mahabalipuram. It's one of his dreams comes true. We would like to remember Reverend Sister Virgin, DMI, the co-foundress, who was the backbone with our founder to open Joe Beach. We would like to thank our Superior General, Reverend Sister Rita, and our founding members for all their support. We'd also like to extend our thanks to our beloved Father, Sister Virgin, and Mr. Rajkumar, who purchased this land and made into resorts. Their dedication of 24/7 hard work for this land, even in hard times, nights, could not be expressed through words. Also, we would like to thank Mr. Xavier, the man stood behind as a pillar of support for the growth of the building. Joe Beach was blessed and opened on January 22, 2011 by the Most Reverend Dr. A.M. Chinnappa, the Archbishop of Madras Mylapore, and Most Reverend Dr. Nidhinathan, the Bishop of Chengalpet, and in the presence of Mr. Peter Alphonse, the Honorable MLA, and all the DMIs and MMIs. We started with 80 rooms. We used Justile as a tool partner for marketing. Our property will be crystal clear. You will begin to feel a spontaneous and inseparable oneness with the elements of nature, which evokes a spirituality that you may not have experienced ever before. If you begin to contemplate, you will get such a unique experience that could overhaul your body and mind with positive vibes. On November 14, 2011, we bought the nearby land and named it as Joe Garden, which we changed to Virgin Gardens in the remembrance of our co-foundress, Sister Virgin.
Joe Beach is not only a center for vacation, relaxation, or recreation, but an inevitable divine center for spiritual renewal as well. At the entrance of the resort, a chapel is located to instill in everyone a special conscience and love for silence and holiness. One of our services is to provide place for conducting religious programs such as spiritual conference, retreats, renewal programs, etc. We are happy to announce that so far several religious programs have been held by different dioceses and religious orders in the Joe Beach Resort, namely the Archdiocese of Madras Mylapore, Diocese of Vellore, Diocese of Chengalpet, and religious congregations like Holy Cross, MSFS, Presentation Convent, FSJ, Holy Family, Salesian, Jesuit, and some other congregations to utilize the Joe Beach Resort for various spiritual needs at different occasions. Most of them highly appreciated the hospitality and wished to maintain the same rhythm of holiness within the Joe Beach premise. We are glad to bring to your notice that many NGOs like World Vision, HCY, Chalice, Hex, and Magic Bus, etc., used to conduct the programs regularly in Joe Beach. Joe Beach is a paradise and one of the most stunning sights on the way to Mahabalipuram. Lots of individual families come to enjoy the ever-present serene atmosphere. We conduct lot of family functions and get together. Corporates from different domains like software, pharma, automobile companies, hospitals, etc. used to come here, namely HCL, TCS, CTS, and HP, hospitals like Apollo, CMC, MMM, and SRM, etc. And many other companies and families came and experienced our hospitality. Besides, they will appreciate the privacy and the total security. While staying with us, the humbling thought of not wanting to leave this heaven of inspiration and rejuvenation will keep continue. We have taken all initiatives to make sure that the sanctity of the land is respected fully. One of our USB unique selling point is beach wedding. Once the marriage function is fixed, we make sure our full cooperation and support to shoulder in every way possible to make the marriage event a grand success. The saying goes in this way: marriages are made in heaven, but we proudly say, for the couples come here, Joe Beach is their only heaven. Joe Beach witnessed a lot of marriages, engagement ceremonies, and birthday functions, etc. Guests can choose any games according to their interest. We have cricket ground, volleyball, football, etc. The organic garden is another example of the significant future of Joe Beach. Fresh vegetables like brinjal, lady's fingers, different varieties of spinach are cultivated within the resort. fruits like papaya, jackfruit, guava, etc. to treat the guests as vegetables and fruits are an important part of the healthy diet. Joe Beach Resort is where most of the parents would want to be with their kids. It is because of the mini zoo for the little misses and mistress. Pets like rabbits, lovebirds, dove, white rat, turkey, dogs and goats are here in the mini zoo. We would be failing on our duties if we are not mentioning the staff and team who stood behind for bringing this day together for the growth and development of Joe Beach. Our staffs are our strength. Their selfless service makes our guests to feel Joe Beach as their second home destination. For the founder has a special love for Joe Beach Resort. He often affirmed during his visit to Joe Beach his interest to connect himself and converse with the trees, plants and animals here, as it helps him to do away with the worries of life. Joe Beach is the apple of his eye. His love and care for nature has often become visible in planting a number of plants and trees with his united hands in the Joe Beach promise. No doubt, every brick of the building to each and every single plant talk about Father's passion, love and dedication. By any natural crisis, we will extend our hand to the nearby villages. In 2016, Cyclone Varda hit very badly. We immediately came to light and helped the nearby villages, namely Salavankuppam and Pandidamedu, with the help of some corporates. During this corona pandemic, we gave grocery to the 250 families in the nearby fishing village with the help of our father founder. CCBA conference was conducted in our Joe Beach Resort. The conference was held from 8th to 14th January 2019. It was a historic and pride moment for Joe Beach to receive the presence and blessing of nearly 140 bishops. HR Managers Conference was organized in Joe Beach from 10th to 14th August 2019. Nearly 450 HR managers and top-rank officials from all the leading MNC attended it. Program was super hit without a single complaint. A successful conclusion of the HR Managers Conference in Joe Beach has drawn the attention of corporates on Joe Beach. 1987 batch Direct SI Assembly Gathering Program happened in Joe Beach from 27th to 29th September 2019. Many of them retired and some of them are in duties, ADSPs and SPs. Our GM received Manager for Excellence Award from Robbie Wells, Presidential Candidate USA from the Constitution Party. On 2015 August 22, we opened Virgin Villa. It is the day of Sister Virgin birth. On 2016 May 14, we opened Virgin Park. On 2017 Vasanta Bhavan. On 2018 November 28, Villa Seaview.
Once again, we would like to thank our founder Father J.E. Arulraj, Reverend Sister Rita, the Superior General, Reverend Sister Nyanaselvam, the Managing Trustee, Reverend Sister Malarjodi, the Provincial, all the DMI sisters, MMA fathers and brothers who traveled with us and supported us in all the difficult situations. It happens because of the blessings, love, guidelines, passion and support from our father founder J.E. Arulraj. All what we are seeing in Joe Beach is purely the vision of him. Thank you, one and all.